try not to speak too loudly and wake him up. If you could hear him snoring, he has tied back, which means it's time for business. This time, serious stuff, because I'm going to try and do the first part of the Busy Dad training. What is it, the level 1B, I think. I've got to do 56 counts in 20 minutes. I just wrapped up, well, it's just gone 3 o'clock. I waited a bit, but I saw the 700, well, he actually did 705 Navy SEALs, the routine from Chuba. Yeah, what can you say? It took a while to watch it. But yeah, that was absolutely nuts, dude. Like, massive respect. I'll link the video. Everyone, I'm sure, knows it already. It's got a lot of views, but yeah, absolutely nuts. Big props to Nick Hardy as well. Like, he did the 250 last night, I think it was, or I think it was uploaded last night. But yeah, I'm obviously not on that level, but yeah, I'm gonna try and give this a go. And yeah, it's so funny. I was saying to Chiba, like, I was like watching the video, and then like after a while, I don't know how long, I went to call my dad. My dad's not being very well, so thoughts and prayers to Jive Cat Senior. I think he feels much better today, but he had a fall, so he had to go to the hospital. But he says he's doing okay now. Gonna see him tomorrow morning. But yeah, he says he's doing great. So yeah, but you know how it is. But anyway, I was talking to him for a while, and then yeah, like come back inside about sort of 35-40 minutes later, and was like, how does that sound? Like, he's like one, and I was like, oh, but the video is still playing, Anyway, yeah, massive respect to him. So I got to do 56 counts in 20 minutes. Yeah, gonna hit him outside since it's a nice day, and yeah, I think I can do that. I mean, I think last time I did 100, it was in about 30 minutes. So, compared to a lot of these guys, that's not, it's not good, but you got to start somewhere, and yeah, if you don't start, you won't get good, right? But anyway, I'll have to do the 20 seals in 20 minutes. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or another day, but yeah, I'm gonna set it up now, and yeah, let's go for it. It won't be exactly like how Max does it, so maybe if that like invalidates it, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do it with rocking chairs, just because, hey, that's how I like to do it. Right, let's see. Is that right? Maybe, yeah. I'm gonna pull this back slightly. Okay, whatever. Stopwatch. Stop. I lost count. go back to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 3 minutes 28, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 40, 4 minutes 40. Five oh four. 41, 42, 43, 24, 45, 26, 27, 28, 29, 50, and that's just hit 6 minutes. So from here on out, this is just extra credit.
82, 53, 54, 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Eight minutes, 14. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65. Just under 9 minutes. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 9:25. Thanks to Dave Whitten as well, and Gus for their encouragement on starting the actual levels and like going for the test, you know. Yeah, and I'm glad your shoulder's a bit better, dude. Oh. That maple syrup is doing something for him, you know. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 10:32, 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, just over 11, 11, 11. One, 82, 83, 84, 85. I feel thirsty. I thought I'll bring water out, but no, I thought no. I had a drink before I started, I'll be okay. Oh yeah. I think I was at 90. Oh yeah. One, 92, 93, 94, 95. Just gonna push through to 100. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 13:31 for 100. 13 minutes, 31 seconds. It's definitely a PR, PB, whatever. Hi. 14:4. 1, 2, 3. My hands were dodging. 4, 5. 6, 7. Let's pull the map back. 8, 9, 10, 15, 26. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16:32. 17:30. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 10. Ah, yeah. One. No, 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 18, 32. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. It's at 19 minutes. 1 minute to go. 1:30. Ah, 32. 33. 34. 35. 10 seconds. Let's at least do 136. 36.